This is our Balinese little villa, and right out here we have a little garden, and this is looking out our kitchen window out to the little plunge pool. This is the bedroom with the pool out the back side there through those windows. At the monkey forest, and this is just the entrance. That there's some beautiful koi here in the pond and some nice statues over here. Check this one out in the middle. This is the walkway going back in, I guess, to where more of the monkeys are. We've already seen a couple of monkeys, but they were out on the street. Into a dark tunnel. This is not good. There we go. One just laying right up there in the sun. Little family getting some sun. Tiny guys, they're following that one up there. I think there's really people in there. He's like, what do you got? Ooh.
I'm here, don't worry.
Yeah, they're still wild animals.
Tiny one.
He's got his mouth open.
Yeah. It's just a look.
It was just a leaf. Mark's got my back. Don't. There's one right behind you too, Mark.
I know. Oh, too. Oh, look at it, look at Oh,
We are
no.
now at the Lotus Pond Temple. It has a name in Balinese too. It's beautiful.
I thought I'd do a selfie.
Okay, we can do that too.
Okay. We just need to do it.
Here's Mark. He has to get all of the there. He looks like a total native Balinese. Stay right there and I'll take a picture. Lotus Pond Temple.
Tegalalang.
We are here at the Tegalalang Rice Fields.
It's very fast to get across that way.
Tegalalang Rice Fields.
Here we are at Ulu Petanu Waterfall Park. We're headed down to Ulu Petanu Waterfall. There we go.
The albino ones are cool looking. They think they're gonna get fed. There's a ton of them. We made it. Wow. Beautiful.
Chico also eat banana, papaya, watermelon, and our tropical fruit.
Is he trying to get down?
Yes, if you give your back, he will.
Oh, no, I don't think so.
He's jump on you. He's like, come on over here.
No.
Good morning.
Ouch.
Why you eat banana?
Yeah.
Too much for headaches.
Oh, wow. Water comes up into that. And this is the special Ulu coffee. So this is our tasting tray. We got Bali coffee, cocoa powder, ginseng coffee, vanilla coffee, coconut coffee, chocolate coffee, and avocado coffee. And on the other side are the teas. You want to run down mangosteen?
Mangostino, pandanus, curcuma, misela, lemon, ginger, and lemongrass, which is our favorite.
And then cassava chips. This is the Goa Gajah Temple. And we're going to go down here and check it out. Oh yeah, and we have to wear our sarongs. You look so pretty. This is from up above the temple, looking down. This is the holy water at the temple.
It's the cave with the holy water.
Oh, the holy water's in there?
That's it.
Okay. Okay, we're in the cave. All the incense that's burning smells so good.
Look at this massive banyan tree here. Down in the Buddhist temple here. Over here.
There's Mark way down there getting some footage. It's really pretty. It's like a jungle.
This is the Bali Bird of Paradise.
With his leg. That's the strong. Because it would slip, you cut your leg.
Oh, yeah.
This is the manual
Yeah.
by hand.
Look at that.
The thistle and
Beautiful.
This is a picture. For example, just after carving, we have drying process. If the wood enough dry, then we need to sanding. Yeah, we can sanding. After wrapping.
Boss.
Scratch.
There's just the boss. Gorgeous wood carvings from here. Beautiful. This is the little restaurant that we had lunch at today after our tour.